Hey guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy, and I wanted to show you guys how I have organized, finally, all my crafts. I'm sorry about the close-up view. I'm like standing right in front of it, and I've got Random Nation's computer behind me, so y'all are just going to have to bear with me. A few weeks ago, we bought a bookshelf, and I liked these little shiny boxes. See how they change colors? I liked them, so I decided that I would just get these boxes and put my arts and crafts in these boxes. So up here at the top, I have got a picture of my cousin, the teddy bear that he gave me, one of the DIYs that me and Tammy done a few months back on the Focus Faith Finish channel, and there is the Focus Faith Finish motto right there. Okay, we're going to show you guys the top shelf. In this box, I have organized just my stickers. I have a bunch of stickers in here. I'm sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so I really don't want to pull out a whole bunch of stuff. This right here is where I keep my journal that I'm working on for my dad. This little box right here is really neat. I bought it at Hobby Lobby, and Kevin, Random Nation, he likes to burn images on wood. Now, he can't draw for nothing, but I drew this, and I don't know if you guys can really tell. I've got it upside down, but if you guys, I don't know, stand on your head or something, you guys can tell it's a wolf head. Hang on just a second. Let me see if I can do this. Show you guys. There it is. But this is actually, I made a mistake. This is not one that I drew. This is one that Mighty Mouse had drew. He drew the wolf, and Kevin burnt the image on. This next box here, I keep all my stamps in. Y'all have already seen a stamp haul, so you guys have seen all my stamps, so you know it's pretty full. Right here, I don't remember. Okay, I've got my glitter, my Mod Podge, some scissors, my glue guns, and then right here, these are my little journals. Well, not really journals, they're like drawing books. This is one that Tammy had sent me back almost 2 years ago now for Christmas, and I still have it. I still draw in it. I've got my Bible here, and this is actually a planner that you can color. I love this planner. It was so fun to color it, and it's already expired, but I have kept it because I really enjoyed the journal with the planner. I really enjoyed coloring in that. This box has my stencils and my canvases. Whoops, y'all can't see that. My canvases for painting. Down here, we have another glitter box, and that's stuff to make IC cards out of. So, and some thread that don't belong there, but I'm working on my daughter's baby blanket, so I just threw it in there. This right here is a bag that Tammy had sent me some Happy Mail with, and I keep all of my paintbrushes in here. This is another box, and I did draw this one. This is a unicorn that Random burnt in there for me. And in this box, I keep all of my paints. Is that all the way back? Do I know? In this box, those are those little baby dolls that I used to work on. I still work on them from time to time, but I've gotten tired of doing them, honestly, for right now, because I made a whole bunch of them and sent a whole bunch of them out. This right here is stuff that I am, you know, like getting ready to mail out. I have my envelopes in here. I have my washies, I have my thank you cards, I have cards, I have little goodies that I'll eventually mail out. Of course, you've got to have your roll-tide elephant in your arts and crafts, guys. These are Happy Mail that I'm sending out. So, guys, see, this is what I send out every month. I do send out a lot of Happy Mail. I actually just got done emptying one from the other side of the house, and we will show you guys that later. This right here, I got these little guys so they don't fall over, but this is Happy Mail that I have received from you guys. These are cards. I keep each and everything that you guys send me. These are the cards that you guys have sent, and I have every one of them. And I guess I'm a little weird because I do keep them organized really well. I have them in the very first order they come. You guys care to take a guess who the very first person was that mailed me any amount of Happy Mail? Do you guys recognize that handwriting? That is right. It is Tammy from My World in OKC. I won one of her giveaways. She was the first person to send me anything. And this over here is actually Happy Mail stuff that y'all have sent me that I love so much that I have kept it over here because I don't want it hurt. Do you guys recognize any of this Happy Mail? I'm sure you guys do. Well, guys, that is about it for my organization on my crafts. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's just a quick little do-it-yourself of how to organize some of your arts and crafts. It's just a little, it's an idea. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you guys. Bama Girl Amy, I'm out.